BMW M4 competition convertible. 91,000. This gorgeous blue color. Of course, you have your lasers on there. It's a very, very good looking car. 360 cameras all around, as you should get for this price. Look at this beautiful interior. Very gorgeous spec. The navy, blue, and the black. Take a look at the inside in a second. Look at these wheels. Of course, drilled rotors. And look at the size of these front brakes. Ginormous, as it should be. X-Drive, M4 comp. It's a beautiful looking car. Carbon fiber on the back. Of course, it has bucket seats. It's like the ultimate spec. It's a 2023 M4 competition. See if it is unlocked. It is nice. Look at this door. It's a very long door. M4 lights up. That's sick. Ooh. That is not a very pleasant thing to sit on. These are like actual bucket seats. I've always usually sat in like bucket E seats. And seats that are like kind of buckety, but these are real bucket seats. Got ambient lighting, of course, all around. Center console screen. Carbon fiber paddle shifters too. And they have grip on the back too. Very cool. Leather around this. Leather wrapped everything. It's blue leather. Really beautiful car. Harman Kardon sound system. That gauge cluster. M1, M2. Turn signal. And of course you do this to turn your volume up. Heated seats. Don't forget to pay your subscription. Not sure where the cooled seats are. I'm not sure if it has them either, but here's all your... That didn't do anything. Here's all your controls, your gear shifter, engine start stop, M mode, exhaust, carbon fiber all around here. There's carbon fiber right here too. You can open that up to get your cup holders. Let's close that back up. Seats are pretty comfy, but they're really hard to get into. Carbon fiber right down here. Really nice. Here's the rear seats. Great legroom back there. Great headroom too. Let me know what you guys think of this car. Are you picking this up as your next sports car? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below.